Judges 20 shows us how the horror of Gibeah now pulls all Israel into a painful and bloody reckoning, not against a foreign enemy, but against their own brothers in Benjamin. After the shocking events of Judges 19, all Israel responded. From Dan in the north to Beersheba in the south, and even from the land of Gilead east of the Jordan, the tribes gathered as one people before the Lord at Mizpah. 400,000 armed men stood together, united in outrage and grief. The Levite, whose concubine had been murdered, told the assembly what had happened in Gibeah, how the men of Benjamin had surrounded the house, abused his concubine through the night, and left her dead. The Israelites were horrified. As one voice they agreed that this evil could not go unanswered. The tribes sent messengers throughout Benjamin, demanding that the guilty men in Gibeah be handed over for justice. But the tribe of Benjamin refused. Instead of protecting righteousness, they chose to protect their own. They gathered their own army, 26,000 warriors from their towns, plus 700 elite left-handed slingers from Gibeah who could strike with deadly accuracy. Israel first sought the Lord, asking, "Who should go up first to fight against Benjamin?" God answered, "Judah shall go first." On the first day of battle, Israel attacked. But Benjamin struck back fiercely, killing 22,000 Israelites. Shocked and grieving, Israel wept before the Lord that evening and asked again, "Shall we go up once more?" The Lord told them to go. On the second day, Israel attacked again, and again Benjamin defeated them, killing 18,000 more. The nation was shaken to its core. They returned to Bethel, fasted, offered burnt offerings and peace offerings, and wept bitterly before God. This time they asked with deeper humility, "Shall we go out to battle again, or shall we stop?" The Lord answered, "Go, for tomorrow I will give them into your hand." Strengthened by this promise, Israel prepared a plan. They set an ambush around Gibeah while drawing the Benjamites out in open battle. When the fighting began, Israel pretended to retreat just as before. Thinking they were winning again, the men of Benjamin pursued them far from the city. At that moment, the ambush rose up and attacked Gibeah, setting it on fire. When Benjamin looked back and saw smoke rising into the sky, panic seized them. Israel turned back and struck them from both sides, in front and behind. The battle became overwhelming. The Benjamite army was crushed and most of their warriors were killed. Their cities were burned, and the tribe that had once refused justice was now nearly wiped out. Judges 20 ends with Israel victorious, but deeply sobered. They had defeated evil, yet at the cost of tens of thousands of lives and the near destruction of one of their own tribes. Next comes Judges 21, where Israel must deal with the consequences of this war and find a way to preserve the tribe of Benjamin.